All right, guys, welcome back to Rome's Meal Prep. My name is Rome, and I'm here to help you guys learn how to make some quick, easy, and healthy meal prep. Today, what we have here is some ground turkey, some potatoes, and it's real simple. It's just a potato bowl. So what you can do is use these potatoes, and you could either cube them up or do it into French fries and air fry those. So it's kind of your choice. And then we're gonna go ahead and season this ground turkey, make it real flavorful, nice. And then you can put it all into a bowl, put the turkey on top, put it up with some pico de gallo, put some sour cream, whatever floats your boat. And then that's the meal prep. It's real simple, very easy, very low ingredients, but let's get into it. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is get these potatoes ready. They're gonna take the longest. So move some of the stuff out of the way, these ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab a bowl. So now we have some cold water to put the potatoes in so they don't get all brown, they don't get like weird or anything like that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and wash these potatoes and then cut them up. We're gonna do these French fry style. My wife likes them more this way, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so now what I'm doing over here is I'm just using a paper towel, taking them out of the bowl, put them in the paper towel, get them nice and dry as I can, and we'll go ahead and just start plopping these in this basket. Make sure not to overcrowd them. If you want the best crisp, spray them down with a little bit of oil beforehand. I put these in and I just use the default fries option on this air fryer. Just hit start. It's already on fries because I like them a lot, and so I have it on there. So hit start on the fries and then boom, 18 minutes, 425, and we'll see when we get back and finished. Potatoes are air frying. I'm gonna cut up some of these onions. Okay, finished chopping up the onions. I'm gonna go ahead, grab this, go over here to the stove so we can start cooking up this turkey. Turn this on high, use some avocado oil. I'm gonna toss in some of these onions first. Okay, now that they're starting to get a little translucent, start adding that ground turkey. Now I'm gonna go shake the fries baskets to make sure they get mixed and cooked evenly. All right, this is looking pretty good. Pretty much cooked through. Is get some chicken bone broth and then just dump a lot of this in there. Again, I keep this on high heat and this is just gonna simmer for a little bit and it's gonna reduce. And all that flavor is just gonna get absorbed straight into this turkey. May sound a little weird, may sound a little unconventional, but I promise you, everyone in my family loves it. I'm gonna lower this heat. I'm gonna add some tomato paste, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of Knorrs. And then I'm gonna get some fresh garlic. So we're just incorporating that tomato paste and all those seasonings in there. Just gotta let it sit a little bit longer, probably until once the fries are fully done, to get the tomato paste cooked out and then garlic nice and cooked. Fries are looking pretty good. I like to use the basket and this sheet pan just because you can get more at a time. So I like to give them a little spritz of avocado oil and use Creole seasoning to toss the fries in. And there you have it. Potato bowl, done with French fries, some ground turkey, seasoned to perfection, enjoyed, topped with a little bit of Mexican cheese, sour cream, and pico de gallo. Thank you all for staying tuned and watching this video. Again, If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, and then feel free to leave any suggestions, ideas for the next video down in the comments below. Till then, I'll see you next time.